Welcome back, everybody, to another Hot Lap. Today, I'm your host because Malcolm doesn't feel like doing it, right? Indeed!
No, that's not actually it. You said you'll do it because we got customers coming. I got to take care of some stuff.
Yeah, typical. So I'm going to be doing this one today. Hot Lap number 117, June 29th. Wow, month's already over. That means our giveaway is almost over for our Koyo... What do you call this giveaway? Koyo Rad bundle. Look, there's a Koyo Rad up there on the wall. Boom. And the oil coolers right there. You'll be able to choose one of those 3 oil coolers as well. So, pretty cool. Every $5 spent on the website is a chance to win. Yeah, check out our website for more information. Let's see what's going on in the shop. Hopefully there's no music blasting. Nope. Oh. All right, we got Josh DeLiza's car here. The thing looks beat up. Holy sh**. Doesn't even have a fucking bumper on it. Missing a whole fucking section. Hey. Hot Lap, baby. How you doing? Hey. Chris is here. We're doing some work on Josh's car. We just put an ORC twin disc clutch in it. Here's the old one. Pretty similar to what we put in, but we put in a new SE model. So ORC 559D SE. That stands for Special Engagement, right, Eddie? That's what we looked up? So that's what it stands for now. So basically, you're able to half clutch a lot more, and it's pretty sick. Look it up. There's a lot of details. We actually got some details in here too I could read, but we got a whole video coming out on this stuff. So, but yeah, we're going with ORC this year for clutches on all the Front Street cars and pretty much anything we're building here in the shop. You can check these out over on factionmotorsports.com. They're local to us, so we can get them pretty fast, and that would be a massive entry into our giveaway. So definitely check that out. Just threw the 559 twin disc SE model in his car, so he's going to be testing that out soon, seeing how that's working, the SE version of it, because this is a regular 559D, but he now has a 559D SE. So we're going to see if that half engagement actually protects the drivetrain as well, because that's another thing it's going to be doing. We threw on some brake pads for this guy. We hardwired the starter like we did to our other customer, Alexi's car, because he was having starter problems too. So this is becoming sort of a problem that we're finding on a decent amount of cars. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. Did it work though? It worked. Yeah. It solved it. Yeah. So if you're having starter problems, maybe you got to hardwire your starter with a relay instead of having it go through the engine bay harness or chassis harness. Engine bay harness? Engine harness, I think. Trans harness, whatever. Moving on. We have a Lexus IS 300 that has been here way too long. Apologies to this customer. But it is in here for a turbo install and a head gasket, right? Cylinder head. Yeah, we're replacing the cylinder head. We're not taking any chances. We told them there could be something wrong with the cylinder head because I think it was low on compression or something. The leak down test, yeah. So we're doing a head gasket, and a turbo install on this car. This car is really clean. It's super nice. It's just been here for a minute because we've been trying to get other projects out before Chris starts this couple week-long project. Holy shit. What are you doing over here? Cleaning up. All right. Well, it needed it. Wags' car. He broke his differential. I would like to show you this, but it's over there, and I'm not going over there right now. So we'll put a clip in. Yeah, there's like a little clip of where it broke, but the open differential itself broke. Not the welded part. We didn't weld that diff anyway, so I don't really care if it broke. That's actually one of the first broken welded diffs I've seen. It's always the axle. It's almost never the diff. So, but yeah, kind of interesting. He's going two-way now. Yeah, two-way. So he'll be getting a CAS two-way in this car, and that's about it. Super reliable, S13. This part is completely broken, which is pretty interesting. I don't think I've seen that before.
It's supposed to jiggle like that.
No, it's not supposed to move like that. So, yeah, kind of shit, but hey, that's drifting for you. That's show business, baby. He's heavy on the clutch kicks. So am I. I get it. It makes sense. Oh, we got the Z over here. Our Z videos are backed up, guys. We're sorry. We got like 4. We got good content coming your way, but we got like 4 videos that are backed up. In one of those videos, you'll see where this bumper gets destroyed. So that sucks. Got to fix that. I got a bunch of fiberglass resin to repair that. And that's about it. I had to do some alignment changes. Let us know if you like the Z content. We got a lot more coming. Learning a lot with this. What else? I guess I should read the clipboard that you gave me, right, Eddie? Patreon, Spotify, YouTube comments. Can I keep my job? Faction Hot Lap number 116. Malk. Who drives the black coupe with the custom Faction Thrash seats that was at Hot Moves?
Come on now, that's Wags.
That's the car we were just talking about. That's Kevin Wagner. He's on the Drift Club, so that's why he's got the custom Faction seats. We don't really sell those, so there's a couple of them roaming around. I don't even know who has all of them. I think Brendan's got one in his house. I think Wags has got those two. Chris, you got a Faction seat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's got one. Does Carl?
Yeah.
Carl's got one. I got 2 sitting in the back. Yeah, they're around. Verosa is in. Get with the times. That car is ugly. That car is so ugly. Need that pocket tee ASAP. Please, boss man. I guess they wanted a pocket tee or something.
Yeah, someone was asking about a pocket tee.
Chris likes pocket tees, right? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Why not? For us, no. Yeah, we'll sell them too, I guess. We had a video about installing a Koyo Rad in a 180. Someone goes, "I'll never sell my polished Koyo. Brushed is boring." They were polished at one point. Yeah, I think I have one in the back. They swapped over to brushed at some point, which also looks good, and it's definitely a lot easier to keep clean. Sweet video. How do you know the thermostat opened? I think when we were doing that video, we were just feeling the lower rad hose and waiting for it to build pressure and get hot. This new snap-on light is basically a flashbang. That was our latest snap-on video. That was the latest one, right?
There's another one.
There's another one?
In the oven.
We got a lot of snap-on content coming too. What kit is on the black coupe? I believe that's an M Sports body kit. That's an M Sports kit on Wags? Chris? You can't hear me. The fan's too loud.
What?
Is that an M Sports kit on Wags' car?
Front bumper, yeah.
The rest of it isn't?
No.
Uh-oh.
Mixed match.
Uh-oh. Who knows? Does Matt have his own YouTube channel? He does not have his own YouTube channel. Our Snap-on guy does not have his own YouTube channel. We're working on that. We're trying to get him hooked up. Man, I wish my Snap-on guy's truck was stocked like that. Yeah. I know how you feel. It took a while for us to get a good Snap-on guy. Anthony Rizzo of Anthony's Towing. We had him on the podcast last week. We came straight from a drift. I don't know if you call that an event, but we had some track time at East Coast Drift School down at Raceway Park. So we came straight from there and then did a podcast. That was the first time we've ever done that. We were both very tired, but I guess it doesn't matter because Rizzo just doesn't sleep anyway. So, comment says, Frankie, the guy you said was a good vlog guy was the dude. Oh, I read this, Eddie. I don't know what he means. I don't know what he means. So I don't know what he means. So I don't remember what I said in the podcast. That's the problem with some of this stuff. It's like people ask, I don't remember what I said. But yeah, something about someone that moved their business. I don't know. Sorry, Rizo23. I don't actually remember that or this guy you're talking about here. Next comment was literally in the same predicament with the Z, feeling weird near lock and falling to lock, but I probably just need more seat time. Interesting. So someone feels the exact same way I do about this car. I don't really want to talk about it too much because, like I said, we're backed up on videos right now. We have a few videos coming out with the Z, and in one of those videos you will see that we're having some trouble at the track. It just feels a little weird, so we're trying to find some solutions as we speak. But yeah, when the car gets near lock, I'm realizing that this car does some weird, funny stuff with those double ball joint front lower control arms. Like increasing caster on the lead wheel in drift. Pretty weird shit. One page, that's it. Boom. This is a short one, guys. So Eddie's going on vacation. So we will not have Eddie all of next week. No, we will have him half of this week and none of next week. Yeah. So wish us luck and wish Eddie luck because he's going to the UK and I've heard it's crazy over there right now. So he's going to F1. We should probably go mention that weird guy that's been sitting over there. I don't know who that is. Let's see. There's someone sitting over here. Who is this guy? Hey. What are you doing in here?
I'm going through all the radium parts that we don't have on the site.
I forgot to mention that part of your new job here is you get filmed at random and you get put on the internet for everyone to see. This is Ricardo, everyone. He's our new parts specialist. So if you need any parts or anything, call the shop. He'll probably be the one to answer. Or if you come by, you'll see him first. So it just zooms in.
Frankie needed someone with a running S chassis in the shop.
Yeah. Ooh, that's true too. Yeah, he actually has a running S chassis, so he should be able to help you out. That's pretty much it for this one, guys. We had to cut it kind of short. Uh-oh. Thief! Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on FactionMotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you one entry. Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries, and Brand of the Month products get you triple entries. Our Brand of the Month for June is Koyorad. For our raffle this month, we are partnering with Koyorad and giving away a radiator and oil cooler package for your vehicle. Koyorad has been a staple in the JDM scene here in the USA since 2000, and much earlier than that over in Japan. Koyo has always been the industry leader in cooling products when it comes to racing and drifting. Ever since I started drifting, Koyo has always been the radiator that my friends and I wanted to have in our cars, and to this day, it has not changed. Whether you are grip racing the mountain roads or drifting your local track, no one can stand the heat as well as Koyorad. They have also supported events like Final Bout for years now. They are directly involved with the community and are always innovating, so make sure to check out their radiators and other cooling products over at FactionMotorsports.com.